Hi, Larry Crowe from Masterful Drumming, here with another hand pattern. Working on these kinds of patterns or rhythmical phrases is a great way for you to develop your rhythmical vocabulary. So, our first step is to get comfortable with this pattern on the snare drum or your practice pad. And we're just going to practice this pattern really slowly at first, just to get our hands comfortable with it. And, then we'll develop it a little bit more by adding some double strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is we'll add a bass drum. There's a little space at the end of the pattern on the of beat 4 where we can add the bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step is to use this pattern in a groove. So this is a rock, funk groove, and here are 2 examples. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is to work on the feel of this hand pattern. So what we can do here is sort of swing the pattern a little bit and give it a different feel. So these next few examples are some grooves that were inspired by Tony Allen, who's an Afro-Beat drummer who's worked with Fela Kuti, Hugh Masekela, and he has albums of his own. Really interesting drummer, totally worth checking him out. So these beats were kind of inspired by him. 1, 2, 3, 4. final step is to make a drum fill out of this pattern. So we're going to take this pattern, put it around the kit, and give you a couple of examples of a couple of fills that you could do using this pattern. Okay? Enjoy. See you later.